We bet you haven't seen it even in your wildest dreams, but Mario Kart is now part of the future of autonomous vehicles. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite tech hub. You heard it right, the iconic Nintendo racing game, known for banana peels and blue shells, is helping researchers at the University of Maryland teach self-driving cars how to behave like a good boy. Aerospace engineering professor Moo Shu is leading the project, which reprograms the classic 1992 video game to serve as a virtual driving course for AI systems. But forget chaos and shortcuts, because the AI has to play safe. That means no speeding, no bumping into walls, and definitely no tossing red shells at rivals. The goal is for the autonomous system to complete clean laps, following rules and prioritizing safety over speed. Moo said, "We're using these automated driving systems to figure out how to verify that the systems are correct, and then design ways to make them better if they're not." Project is funded by the US Naval Air Warfare Center, so the team uses deep reinforcement learning to train the AI, a technique that rewards good behavior like staying on course and penalizes bad like spinning out. At first, the AI drove stupidly, according to Zhu, but after millions of virtual laps, it improved drastically. While using video games to simulate autonomous driving isn't new, most models focus on racing to win, the UMD team is doing the opposite by turning Mario Kart into a controlled and rule-abiding system. It's a surprising yet fun way to face a serious challenge. With most roads only allowing level 0 to level 2 automation, there's a long way to go, but thanks to Mario and friends, the path towards safer, self-driving cars might just hit the road. Have you tried any self-driven cars yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.